Next, we're going to begin putting doors in. If you're using a PowerPoint slide, look for when they insert doors. So first things first, let's switch layers to doors layer. And we're going to start with this front door. It looks like they take this line here and offset it toward the left 2 foot. So I'm going to press offset. Now I've got my layer changed to this what's current. I'm going to change that back to source. My source is the wall. And the distance I need is 2 feet, 24 inch. Two different ways to locate a door. You can locate a door from other objects by measuring to the edge and then finding the opposite edge. Or you can find the center of the door and then find the edges opposite of each other from the center. So in this situation, we got a 3 foot door. Half a 3 foot is 18 inch, foot and a half. So I'm going to offset this 18 this way and 18 the opposite way, kind of like so. The line in the middle, you can actually delete that. We only needed it long enough to locate. So these lines here, we need to stretch these opposite through the span of wall. Leave them selected, press trim, and create the rough opening. But this is what you call a threshold. See, this is outside, and up here is inside. Inside, outside. It separates the outside from the inside. So we leave this line continuous. We leave it unadulterated. That way it shows us a threshold. Next, I'm going to insert, and I need to look for that 3 foot door in plan view. So I've got my door, and it looks like they put it on the midpoint of the short line so that the arc touches here. We got a couple more back here. So closet doors. It looks like they picked the inside of this closet wall, offset 1 foot 5, 1 foot 5, enter, which is going to be here. And then it looks like they take this inside here and offset down 1 foot 9, 1 foot 9, enter. Now, those are going to be the centers of the door. There's a diagram, shows a bifold door. Each panel of a bifold door is a foot, and you got 2 panels, so that's 2 foot. So I'm going to offset 12, enter. Offset this line up and down. Same thing here. Up and down. Now the lines in the middle, these two, you can actually erase them. These other ones, I'm going to stretch this backward through the span of wall. Look for perpendicular objects now. These ones, I got to stretch the opposite way. Whoop. These ones here, this one and this one, I got to stretch this way. Now, leave them selected. Go ahead and press trim and create the rough openings. Okay, so get those set up. Next, I'm going to go to insert. Look for that bifold door. Bifold door. Here it is. Again, it's going to go on a midpoint of that wall. Now, watch this. This is where I need a special block. This one's a mirrored image. This door here, it's a mirrored image. So I'm going to go insert the door and rotate it by an angle of 180 degrees. Oh, no. I know what to do. Take this one and mirror it. I'm going to mirror it this way. But I need to explode it. You see, it's kind of stuck. Now watch this. This is kind of funny. Notice the text is mirrored backward, right? And so is the 2 and 0. When you explode it, it's going to fix some of it. But notice your label here is still out of order. So I'm going to shift this over here and shift the 0 over here. Just to make it look right. Select them both. Go up to cut, clipboard cut, and paste that as a block. Okay, fair enough. Now that I've got a unique block, I can actually use the move command and move this into position. Okay, what other doors? We've got some other doors, and these ones are tricky. In the book and on the PowerPoint slide, they say allow a minimum length of 4 inch for the door jambs located on the hinged side of the bedroom, bunk room, and bathroom. So bathroom, bunk room, bedroom. bedroom, bunk room, bathroom. 4 inches. Okay, so we need 4 inches. So watch this little trick. I'm going to go to the walls layer real quick. Pick line command. And I'm going to pull or track an intersection that doesn't exist right here. And then come up 4. Zoom in. Go over 4. And come back down perpendicular 4. Right? I can snip between there. That's going to be that little, they'll put a cripple stud in there. You see that hinge not only holds the door up from gravity, but it also has torsional forces on it from swing. These doors swing. Okay, same thing over here. Watch this, watch this, watch this. So I'm going to pull or track, come this way, hit perpendicular, come out 4, and then go down 4, polar south down 4. Now, the other lines I can simply stretch on. I'm going to gap this out and then stretch this along. Okay, for the bathroom, this one's pretty simple. What to do, and what we're going to do is this. We're going to take this line and copy it, 4 inch. 4 inch due south, 4. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to stretch that backward like this, leave it selected, copy. That is and you got to look close, a 2-foot door. 2-foot door. So I'm going to go 24. Copy, pick a point, any point, move in a direction, 24. There we go. I don't know what exactly happened there, but okay. Create the rough opening. Now, there's going to be a little wall here. I ain't going to tell you how big it is. On the strike side, that's going to be the hinge side, that's going to be the strike side. I'm going to keep this video concise. I think you should be able to put the other doors in. There's a door here in this water heater. There's a side door. Look closely at the label. Does it say 2'0"? Does it say 2'2"? Does it say 2'6"? Or does it say 2'8", which is 32 inch? So you got some doors to put in. Get those in. I'm going to stop the video just to keep it concise. Continue with that. Get the doors for me.